The Grapes of Wrath. John Steinbeck's The Grapes of Wrath, published in 1939, is a powerful and heart-wrenching novel that captures the deep struggles of the working class during the Great Depression. At its core, it's a story of survival, family, and the human spirit in the face of immense hardship. The novel centers around the Joad family, tenant farmers from Oklahoma who are forced to leave their land due to drought, dust storms, and economic hardship. Like thousands of others, they are driven westward by promises of work, dignity, and a better life in California. But what awaits them is far from what they imagined. Led by the aging but determined Ma and Pa Joad, the family embarks on a grueling journey on Route 66. Along the way, they encounter others like them, families broken, hungry, and desperate. The road becomes a symbol of both hope and despair. One of the most compelling characters is Tom Joad, the recently paroled son, who evolves from a self-focused man to a symbol of resistance and social justice. Through Tom's eyes, we witness the injustices faced by migrant workers, low wages, brutal working conditions, and a system designed to keep the poor poor. As the Joads reach California, they find overcrowded camps, scarce jobs, and ruthless landowners exploiting the vulnerable. Yet through all this, Steinbeck highlights the strength and unity of the working class. Ma Joad becomes the emotional backbone of the family, showing resilience, compassion, and unwavering hope. The novel is more than just a family's journey. It's a scathing critique of capitalism, inequality, and the American dream gone wrong. It asks difficult questions. What happens when the system fails its people? Who speaks for those who are silenced? Steinbeck uses intercalary chapters, short, poetic sections between the narrative, to paint a broader picture of suffering across the country. These chapters give voice to the voiceless and add depth to the Joad's personal story. The title itself, The Grapes of Wrath, is drawn from a line in the battle hymn of the Republic and suggests both judgment and righteous anger. It reflects the growing unrest among the oppressed, hinting at a coming rebellion against injustice. The book was controversial at the time of its release, praised for its honesty, and condemned by those who found its message too radical. Yet it earned Steinbeck the Pulitzer Prize and eventually led to his Nobel Prize in Literature. Over 80 years later, The Grapes of Wrath remains a timeless classic. Its themes of displacement, inequality, and human dignity still resonate today. It's a story that reminds us of the strength found in solidarity and the courage to stand up when others can't. As Tom Joad says in one of the novel's most memorable lines, "Wherever there's a fight so hungry people can eat, I'll be there."